welcome back, or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Leanna, and today we're just going to be customizing and unboxing my new MacBook. So I ended up buying the MacBook that I was looking at on my very first video on the 18th preparation vlog, and that was the 14-inch MacBook. It has the M3 chip, it has 8-core CPU and 10-core GPU, or it's vice versa. I'll put it somewhere over here. But also has 8 gigabytes of unified memory, and it has 512 gigabytes of storage. But I would have got the terabyte, but I had also bought a hub, I guess, for it. It comes with more ports like USB, another type C that's already on the computer, I'm pretty sure, SD card, you know, because I already have my 2 terabyte connected to it, because my Sims folder is a large. I needed a terabyte for my mods. But yeah, I have also bought a case from Amazon as well as with the hub. It's a green one, but I wouldn't really recommend it because it kind of shows like the marks of your natural oils on your hands. But I got it in green because my favorite color is green. I'll show you guys. But yeah, it looks like this. You can obviously see that that's like gross. And then this is what it looks like. The keyboard cover, very, very cute. And one thing I like about this computer with the space black, it doesn't show like fingerprints or anything, or like grease marks on the computer itself, which is really nice because they used to bug the heck out of me on my last one. It comes with this very long cord, and I like this one better than the other one because it's like magnet. You can see, yeah. But yeah, it's pretty long. But yeah, it comes with that. So anyways, enough of me rambling on. We're gonna go right onto this video and start customizing. All right, so what I already have done was edit my accent colors, but if you want to edit like what color it makes these things over here, you can change it right here. Like if you're a pink girly, then this is real cute, you can change it. And also highlight colors as well. So if you hover over something, then it's gonna be green. Same thing, vice versa. It's gonna be pink. So yeah, and you can make your own custom color right here. One thing that you can also do is go to display and accessibility, and then scroll down to the pointer, and you can edit your pointer color. Honestly, let's see. Let's go here. Oh, hold on. Ooh, I've never seen this before. I'll make it like a really light. I want it to be like cream. Yeah, I like that. So yeah. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is start clearing up my dock, because I don't need all this unnecessary apps, because I don't use half of them. And I feel like it'll just be more aesthetically pleasing with less going on. I don't even use Apple Music. So yeah, once we have all of it off, it'll probably look way more pleasing to the eye. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and make Google Chrome our default browser. And I feel like, I don't know, I don't really use Safari. I have all my bookmarks and favorites on Chrome, and I don't know, it's just easier. And plus you can make Google Chrome really pretty. unless you can do that with Safari, but I don't ever play around with it enough to know. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and make Google Chrome our default browser, and then also customize it. Okay, so after we put the widgets and all the other customization apps onto our MacBook, we're going to then look up images that we can use for our folder icons. So what we're going to do is search up transparent PNG icons. You can also put like aesthetic or I don't know, something. Ooh, I think I'm gonna download that because I have a vision. You can use these images as like, if you have pictures like these kind of pictures, you can use it to hold the picture up like a kind of like a thumbtack. If that makes sense. I know I want my icons to kind of be like vinyl. How do you even spell vinyl? I'm crying. I literally am kind of so. Ooh, that's exactly what I want. Let's see if they have any green ones, because that's kind of the aesthetic. Or maybe even this would be good. I think that is the vibe. Let me see. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna download this one. I'm gonna look up green. Oop, this is perfect. I like this. It's cute and fun. Okay, so once you download all the transparent images that you want to do, I'm also going to search up the Call Me If You Get Lost ID that I've been seeing people use as their wallpapers. Because then after that, we're going to design our own wallpaper on Canva right here. It's in Chrome. I'm going to put my birthday. Yes, ma'am. Oh no, I'm in, oh Lord. US. Yes, ma'am. Boom. Drag and drop it. Use this as a picture. Hopefully that, okay. Now let's get our ID. Oh, wait, before I forget, I know I want JT as the background of my, totally forgot about this part. As my background for my wallpaper. Whoa. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna find an image that I really like, and then save it to my phone, or airdrop it to my phone, and then make it a sticker onto my phone, and then send it back. I'm already messing with this one. This is cute. So yeah, airdrop this to yourself. Hold onto the picture and make it a sticker, and then it'll get rid of all the background, and then we'll move it to Canva. That we have the background put together, at least, I'm gonna go ahead and put these screen recordings that I just did into here. Dang, that was loud for like actually no reason. So how to edit your PNG. So you click on here, you go to file, you go to get info, And then we're gonna go to our downloads and see. Let's go images. So we're gonna get the image that you want. So you drag and drop it right here, and then it changes the icon. So we're gonna go ahead and just do it to all 6 of these, and then I'll be right back to add the widgets. Okay, so now that we have the folders all put together, I have a school YouTube video one, Sims, content, screen recording, videos, and miscellaneous folders. So we're gonna go to our widgets and then color widgets. I'm pretty sure I already made one, but you go to the color widgets app and then make your own. So I already have one that's green and cream, that's kind of like this one. So you just put it anywhere where it makes sense on yours. We're gonna use the app Memo Notes that I just recently downloaded. Oh wait, I think we have to add it as a widget. I think I'm gonna do where did that just go? I think you could do it both ways, honestly. I'm not quite sure. I think you export, click this arrow, get rid of that, and then place it. And hopefully when you click on it twice, it should stick. If not, we're gonna reset our computer and then it should all come together. So don't be scared. If it does gray out, then reset it and then it should stick. Reminders. I think it's just a good thing to have right in front of you. Oh, I definitely just skipped it. It's a good thing to have on track because I am a hot mess. I'm not gonna lie. I think I'm gonna line it up with this right here. Then the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the be focused. I'm gonna add that to mine. I'm gonna add it right here, get rid of it right here, and get rid of this because you don't need it. I'd put that right there, and then the last thing I would like to put on my home screen is going to be my Notion that has my college page on it. To set it up, you will have to open this, tap and hold it. It's gonna ask what workspace, so you just have to do like this connect thing so that it actually has your workspace. Then I'm gonna do my postgraduate apps, and then it should pop up right here. I need to fix the picture, I'm not gonna lie. And then last but not least, I will add my mini plane. The Silicio. I'm gonna add it. Oh, I already did this, so I'm gonna make sure that it's on all spaces so that you can see it on this one. It's cute to put your music right there. I'm gonna search up my Spotify and then just play whatever, and there we go. I'm gonna restart my computer and I'll give you the final look. Y'all, I am done with this customization. It was taking a lot for me to finish this because I was getting so frustrated, but all I needed to do was literally restart my computer so it would all pop up, because the main problem was that most of the widgets were turning gray when I was just like clicking the screen itself, and it just wasn't staying. Like most of them was not staying. But if you're having that problem too, you just click reset and then most of them will pop up. So yeah, I hope y'all liked it. I know it was a little much, but as I said, I'm learning and we're learning together. I hope y'all liked this video, and if y'all got any questions, just pop them in the comments and I'll respond, because I know this video was a little different. So yeah, I'll catch y'all next time. Deuces.